view of large-scale environmental degradation in Kashmir Valley, a weekly news magazine, The Legitimate dedicates its special edition to environmental awareness. The 48-page special edition was published, in which senior journalists, writers, environmentalists, social activists, researchers, scientists, and lawyers have focused exclusively on issues of environmental onslaught in Kashmir. The function was organized at Premier Green Valley Educational Institute, Elahibag in Srinagar. On the occasion, stressing for the mass awareness against the large-scale environmental degradation in Kashmir, the Secretary for Higher Education, Dr. SAMOON, said that for the preservation of environment, the society has to come together collectively. While speaking on the occasion, President Private School Association GNVAR brought up the issues related to environmental degradation and the growing concerns. ASEM, editor-in-chief of the Legitimate News magazine, on the occasion said that the tranquil and green pastures of Kashmir are facing an illegal intervention of human being, due to which the paradise Kashmir is emerging as a major challenge on the environmental front. It was concluded with the fact that this is not an individual responsibility. It needs collective efforts to preserve the environment for future generations. There is need to propagate the information on environmental degradation by which the people can be aware about the prevailing concerns. Kashmir Press Service, Srinagar.
This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Contact Hotel CS2, Salwar Bagh, Srinagar, Kashmir. Phone number 0194246850, 2468-501. Reservation at Hotel CS2. Log on www.hotelcs2.com.